Okay, so here's our plan for this year is a row of sunflowers right there, then a row of corn, 10 rows of corn with sweet potato, Japanese sweet potatoes there in the back. I'm gonna try to get these soaker hoses installed after we get an outside water line put in. There's a pile I just burned down. Here we're gonna plant potatoes, the blue, purple potatoes, and there in the back, melons, Xiang and watermelon. Here, some soya beans, okra, carrots, leafy greens, Luffa, peppers, long dragon bean. We've got garlic growing there. Might do a row of tomatoes, I don't know yet. Lots of leafy greens and peas here along this trellis. Cucumbers along this trellis. And there is a pea house. I'm gonna try to make peas grow all over that. You can walk in and pick peas. And here's our little makeshift greenhouse me and my father-in-law made a year or two ago. Might plant some leafy greens in there, start some seedlings. This is where we had sunflowers last year. And here's where we get our eggs. We've got our chickies. Chick, 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 chick. Hello. I'm gonna say hello. There's our white rooster and our white. Oh, they're loud. Well, see you next time.